I think there's going to be a lot of things that kind of blow your mind. And I do a lot of coaching with other influencers, with real estate agents, all these different industries. And I think the thing that they are most surprised about, they always hop on the phone with me and I'm sure they're like, London's going to tell us some magic little mythical tip that's going to get us to 1 million followers or to our first 1,000 or get our first 1 million views. And when in reality, they're kind of shocked that the things I tell them are mostly centered around their mindset. And I think the thing that makes somebody with 10 million followers stand out really is their mindset. It's not when they're posting their videos. It's not what they're saying in their videos. Those are big parts of the pie, but it's more of the way they think about content creation, right? And when you come listen to us and the many other influencers in LA, that you need to create a foundation off of what we said, but then you have to do it your way. And who cares? Just go for it. Do it your way with zero remorse, and it'll work out better than being a copycat of London Laz.